Hello, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Katie.
Hello, where do you come from?
I'm from Chicago in the US.
Cool. What do you think about the workshop of the MBTI you just did?
It's very interesting, and I felt like it was very effective in helping me see maybe the other side of people who are different from me, and helps me realize ways that I could communicate better with them. Yeah.
What do you think is the main benefit of this workshop for any person?
I think is seeing another person's maybe perspective in life and realizing that not everyone thinks the same as you, so it's good to take those things into account. Yeah.
Cool. Anything you want to say, just freely?
Do the workshop and get another perspective.